The Elite Dental Group is part of the Seattle Study Club, and the Seattle Study Club is a national organization, and the Elite Dental Group is our local chapter, if you will, of that organization. Michael Cohen is the periodontist, or the brainchild of the Seattle Study Club, who had a vision about 20 years ago to create a more meaningful study club for himself, his practice, but even more importantly, the doctors that he was working with. So this study club is really focused on the diagnosis, the treatment planning of comprehensive treatment plan. We go through our patients and see cases from day to day and pretty much do routine cases, but quite regularly we see cases that are actually more comprehensive and kind of push us to really test our knowledge and skills as a dentist on how to help these patients. And I used to always have these cases that would come to me that were complex, and I would put the models on my desk and go on with my day. And at the end of the day, the models were still there. And then the next day, they were still there. And then a week later, they were still there because I just wasn't really confident and sure how I could help this patient. And eventually the patient called and said, what's Dr. Frank going to do for me? And eventually the patient just leaves the practice because I really didn't have a solution. So I have been fortunate enough to be the director of the Elite Dental Group for 12 years now. And what's happened is those models are no longer sitting on my desk. They're getting diagnosed and treatment planned, and I've developed the confidence along with my peers, which are mostly restorative doctors, to work with them closely and come up with treatment plan and solution for patients.